Hey, what's up, everyone? Did you know that 1 in 4 households nationwide reported being completely without power at least once in a single year, with many of those outages lasting 6 hours or more? That's not just an inconvenience, that's a real emergency when you can't charge your phone, check the weather, or signal for help. The grid is becoming more unpredictable, which is why your disaster preparedness kit needs a solar backbone. Today, we're diving deep into the best solar gear for disaster preparedness you can buy right now. We're going to compare these products head to head so you know exactly where to put your money for maximum survival utility. Stay tuned, because the difference between good gear and great gear could be life-changing. All the links are in the description below if you want to check out the current prices for these essentials. 6. BytePower SolarCharger Power Bank 20,000 mAh, the rugged multi-tool. The BytePower SolarCharger is designed for those who prioritize a suite of integrated survival tools alongside their backup power. At its core is a substantial 20,000 mAh battery, enough to recharge a modern smartphone 5 to 6 times. But the real selling point is the tank-like build. It boasts an IP67 rating, meaning it's dustproof and can handle temporary water immersion. It outclasses simpler power banks that would fail during a severe storm or a drop on a rocky trail. It even packs a high-precision compass, an emergency whistle, a carabiner, and an SOS LED flashlight. Now, for the reality check. The integrated solar panel is very slow and meant for emergency trickle charging only. Compare this to the FlexSolar panel, number 5, which is a dedicated power generator. The BytePower is a grab-and-go battery with survival extras, perfect for a car kit or home blackout bag. What do you prioritize more, raw battery capacity or integrated tools like a compass and whistle? Let me know in the comments. 5. FlexSolar 10-watt portable SolarCharger, the lightweight power producer. The FlexSolar 10 watts is the ultimate minimalist solution for the weight-conscious prepper. This isn't a battery, it's a high-efficiency power generator. Using monocrystalline cells protected by ETFE film, this panel is thin, flexible, and rugged, with an IP67 waterproof rating. It folds down to the size of a paperback book and weighs only 10.6 ounces. The pivotal difference here is focus. While the BytePower is a battery that has a panel, the FlexSolar is the panel. In direct sun, it can charge a phone relatively quickly, about 25 to 30% in an hour, but it's best used to top up an external power bank during the day so you have power at night. Compared to competitors like BioLite, the FlexSolar offers double the wattage for a similar footprint. If you were stranded for a week, would you rather have a single 20,000 mAh battery or this 10-watt solar panel paired with a 10,000 mAh bank? Tell me your survival strategy. 4. LED solar flashlight. The Bright Charging Hybrid. This 1,500 lumen beast is a hybrid between a tactical flashlight and emergency gear. The 1,500 lumen turbo mode is essential for navigating treacherous terrain or signaling for help over long distances. What makes it a solar gear contender is the built-in 2,000 mAh battery that can be charged via a small integrated solar panel. More importantly, it has a USB output port, allowing it to act as a tiny emergency power bank. It can give a dead phone that 10 to 20% life-saving bump needed for a critical call. Compared to the Vokida radio, number 3, this unit is primarily a light source. The Vokida is a communication hub. This flashlight is ideal for the budget-conscious prepper who needs a high-output light first, but wants the peace of mind of solar self-sustainability. Do you think a flashlight should have a built-in power bank, or would you rather carry 2 separate devices? Share your thoughts below. 3. Vokida Emergency Radio Hand Crank. Solar, the ultimate survival hub. The Vokida Emergency Radio is a comprehensive survival command center. What sets it apart from the Eoxsmile, number 1, is its massive 10,000 mAh internal battery, double or triple the capacity of most emergency radios. This ensures you have enough reserve power to charge multiple phones and headlamps during long-duration blackouts. It features AM/FM and vital NOAA weather band (WB) alerts that trigger automatically during severe weather. The value here is in the redundancy. You can charge via USB-C, a high-efficiency hand crank, or solar. Plus, it bundles in a rechargeable headlamp, a thermal blanket, and a paracord survival bracelet. While the Eoxsmile focuses on radio versatility, the Vokida focuses on sheer power capacity and bundled preparedness. Which part of this kit is most valuable to you? The 10,000 mAh battery or the NOAA weather alerts? 2. Mutter 4-pack hand crank solar flashlight, the redundancy kit. The Mutter 4-pack is all about mass redundancy. In an emergency, having 4 indefinitely self-sustaining light sources distributed among your family is often more valuable than one high-powered unit. These aren't 1,500 lumen spotlights. They are reliable, low-output LEDs powered by a solar panel and a retractable hand crank dynamo. 1 minute of cranking gives you about 8 to 10 minutes of light, a critical metric when you're in the dark with no batteries. While their individual performance is lower than the other lights on this list, their fail-safe value is the highest. You can put one in the glove box, one in the garage, one in the basement, and one in the bedroom. For the price of one mid-range flashlight, your whole family is equipped. Would you pick one super bright high-tech light, or this 4-pack of self-sustaining lights for your kit? 1. Eoxsmile Emergency Radio, 5,000 mAh. The balanced communication champ. Landing at the top spot, the Eoxsmile Emergency Radio is the ideal balance of portability and communication. It features robust multi-band reception, including NOAA weather alerts, and, crucially, shortwave (SW) radio. Shortwave allows you to pull in broadcasts from international sources, giving you situational awareness that standard radios lack. With a 5,000 mAh battery, it can fully charge a modern smartphone while keeping your radio and lights running. It trades the massive battery of the Vokida for superior communication tools, like a digital LCD screen for precise tuning and a flip-up reading lamp. It's the perfect all-rounder that prioritizes staying informed and connected during a crisis. I highly recommend this as the core of any household emergency kit. Solar power gives you independence. Don't rely on a fragile grid. Invest in gear that guarantees you light, communication, and power when you need it most. Whether it's the rugged BytePower, the efficient FlexSolar, or the communication-heavy Eoxsmile, there's a solution for every strategy. All links are in the description for the best prices. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more survival tips. Tell me in the comments which one you're adding to your kit this week. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.